How to composite multiple video layers in Kdenlive. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and import all the video clips you want to composite into the project bin. Next, drag your clips onto different video tracks in the timeline, stacking them one above the other. The clip on the top track will appear above the clips on the lower tracks. Now select the clip on the upper track that you want to blend or composite with the layer below. Then right-click on the clip and choose Insert a Composition, and from the list, select Composite and Transform. A panel will open on the right side. In the Compositing section, click on the drop-down menu and choose a blend mode such as Multiply, Screen, Overlay, and so on. You can also adjust the opacity to control how the upper clips interacts with the clips below it. Preview your timeline to see how the layers blend together and fine-tune the settings until you achieve the desired composite look. Now you know how to composite multiple video layers in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.